Hey guys, so this is going to be a review of this griddle that I just put together. I received this in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. I did have to put it together. It took me about an hour, 20 minutes or so to put this together, but it is super nice. It's got a flat grill surface here. Nice heavy duty pan. It does come off. It's not attached to the mechanisms of this at all, so you can just pull it up, clean it, put it back when you're done cleaning it, that kind of thing. It's got a nice surface over here for stuff that you're using to prepare to throw on the grill. It's got a little tray here to hold some stuff as well. You can adjust the height by moving this to those over there. Here's where you attach the propane tank. So it does run off of propane, and you got two knobs here to adjust the flow. And it can actually go up to 20,000 BTUs as well. It's got a backsplash here as well. That is detachable from that part. So yeah, it is a flat surface, so be good for things like fajitas. I mean, honestly, you can grill anything you want on it. But yeah, instead of the charcoal, line kind of look, you got the flat surface. But yeah, also comes with a cover here. That way you can cover up the grill when it's not in use, or in the winter, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's a nice grill. Like I said, it took me about an hour and 20 minutes to put it all together. Wasn't hard, just took a little bit of time. Also moves around really easily. It's got the two wheels on that side over there, and then the side just has the bar there. So what I gotta do is lift this side up and roll it around wherever you need it. And using these knobs down here, you can actually fold it up so it can fit into your car as well. Pretty cool. So, pretty compact and really easy to travel with. But yeah, I think it's a good size, built of good materials. I like it.